Hello y'all, we'll be making a dish called lemongrass chicken. This dish is full of vegetables that can help reach your recommended daily intake, and according to the United States Department of Agriculture, a cup of vegetable is either 1 cup of raw or cooked vegetables, a cup of vegetable juice, or 2 cups of raw leafy green. To make this dish, first place the vermicelli noodles into a half pot of boiling water. Depending on the brand, the noodles should take about 10 to 15 minutes until al dente. Rinse the noodles under cold water for about a minute. Next, turn on the stove and add in oil into the pan. When the oil is hot enough, saute lemongrass, shallots, and 1 tablespoon of garlic for about 30 seconds to a minute until fragrance. Add in your chicken and wait until the color becomes slight faint pink. Depending on how much chicken, it should take about 3 to 5 minutes. Once the color has changed, pour in the fish sauce and soy sauce, then mix water and cornstarch to create a thick sauce. If you like to have a thicker sauce, then add in more cornstarch to the mix. When the sauce has slightly thickened, add in dark soy sauce for a dark brown color. Set the chicken aside, but keep the solution in the pan. That's very important. Add in broccoli and cook until it becomes dark green but yet crispy. Please be cautious not to overcook it and result in soggy broccoli. We want to maintain a high nutrient density. Also, please do not omit any of the vegetables in this dish. Researchers suggest that consuming approximately at least 3.5 cups of vegetables and 1 to 1.5 cups of fruits daily can help moderate weight loss, decrease incidence of disease, and enhance your energy and fat reduction diet. So, remember to assemble your vegetables together and mix. Add in your vermicelli noodles on top, then add in chicken and broccoli last. Also, to give more of a crunchy texture, turn on your stove and add in oil and minced garlic into the pan. Fry garlic until brown, add it into your dish, or omit the step and add in crushed peanuts instead. From using MyFitnessPal, here's the nutrition facts for this dish. I hope you enjoy. Have a great day.